Introduction to UI of App Inventor. Hello students, today we will learn about the basics of App Inventor. Let us start with the App Inventor user interface. On the top, we have the menu. Below the menu, we have buttons. On the left, we have the palette, which contains components. In the center, we have the viewer. On the right, we have components followed by properties. Let us explore the menu. We have projects, connect, build, settings, etc. In this module, we shall only learn about projects and connect. Let us start with projects. We shall start by creating a new project. To create a new project, follow these steps. Go to Projects and click Start New Project. A dialog box will appear on the screen. Add a project name here. Note that a project name cannot contain a space between words. Click OK. Let us now explore the palette section. We have drawers like User Interface, Layout, Media, etc. under the palette. Each drawer consists of a set of components which we can use for building an app. We can get information about each component by clicking on the question mark icon next to them. Let us drag and drop a button and a label on the viewer. There are 3 different viewer device sizes available. We can click the drop-down menu and choose one. App Inventor components can be visible or non-visible. Buttons and labels are visible components. They are visible when dragged and dropped on the viewer. Non-visible components are not visible on the viewer. Let us add a non-visible component to the viewer. Here, the text-to-speech component is reflected outside the screen under the non-visible components. To delete a component, select the component and click on the Delete button, as shown here. We can rename a component and change its properties using the Components and Properties section. To rename a component, follow these steps. Let us change the properties of the components. Let us start with screen 1. Select the screen. Go to the Properties section and do the changes as required. We can apply a background color from one of those available or choose a custom color. We can also add images to the background. To apply a background image, follow these steps. Click the box below the background image. Click on Upload File. Select a file from your computer and click OK. The image file will reflect under the Media section. We can preview, download, or delete the file from there. We can change the title of the screen by changing the text below the title in the Properties section. The title will reflect on the screen as shown here. We can also change the display text of any components as shown here. We can also add codes in the blocks section. Let us explore the blocks section. Click on Blocks to go to the Blocks section. The Blocks section is divided into two subsections called Blocks and Viewer. The Blocks subsection shows all the built-in blocks and components added on the viewer. Click on the button _1 button and drag and drop the when.click sub-block on the viewer. Click on the label _1 label and drag and drop the set.to sub-block on the viewer. Add it with the when.click sub-block. Click on the text block, drag and drop the empty text box and join it with the set.to sub-block. Add a text of your choice as shown here. Our coding is complete. Check the Show Warning section for any errors and warnings. To check the working of your app on a mobile device, go to Designer. Let us check the working of our app using AI Companion. To check the app on a mobile device, follow these steps. Go to Connect and click AI Companion. Scan the QR code with your device using MIT AI2 Companion. Yay! You have created your first app using MIT App Inventor.